everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today we're going to make something delicious from Japan again. We are going to make some Japanese golden curry, and the part I like is extra hot. I told you in my last video with the okonomiyaki that my kids came to visit, brought me a bunch of Japanese ingredients. This was one of them. Looking forward to making it. It's S&B brand. Apparently that is the most popular and delicious brand around. And if you notice on the front it shows beef in there. I'm going to go ahead and make a little change in that we're going to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Alright, so let's get going. First thing, over medium high heat, we got the butter in there. Now we're going to add the chicken, which I've chunked up, and we want to cook that for a few minutes till it starts to cook. Okay, these steps are gonna come up fairly quickly. Okay, about 6 minutes in, over medium heat, a little higher, probably number 6. We are gonna add the onions, which I have cut into petals like this, and we're gonna sweat those out, along with the mushrooms, which I've cut fairly thickly, and a long jalapeno. Alright, so join me in a little bit. Alright, so now the onions are sweated out as the jalapeno and mushrooms, and now we are going to add 5½ cups of water. We're going to bring it to a boil, reduce to simmer, and cover it and cook it for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes at a simmer, slow boil. We're going to turn it down to 2. And now we are going to add the curry packets. There's 2 of them, so you can make half a batch if you want. And it smells delightful, let me tell you. Oh wow. And it looks like baker's chocolate, so you're supposed to break it up like that, toss them in there, and once we got them in there, if I can open this guy, there we go. It's a little tough. We're going to stir it constantly for about 5 minutes to get all this stuff dissolved, and then it's ready to eat. So join me in a bit. Okay, after 5 minutes, this stuff is thickened up, and my goodness, the scent filling this kitchen is wonderful. This is about the most beautiful curry I have ever smelled. Alright, so then I've turned the heat off, and right before serving, we're going to add some matchstick carrots for a little color and crunch. So let's get the plate prepped. Alright, so what we got here, besides a steaming plate of goodness, which is making this kitchen smell heavenly, we have some basmati rice that I cooked with shrimp bouillon flavor to add a little difference in there. And oh, look, this is smelling so nice. But that's not all. Now we have to garnish it, so stand by. And there you go. We got some pickled ginger on top, and we got an egg roll and a crab rangoon. And what else could go with that to make it better? Some Japanese beer. Here we have Sapporo Japanese beer, which interestingly enough is now brewed in Canada. Go figure. But anyway, I like Sapporo, so let's try it. Alright, here we go. This place is smelling delightful. Oh, look at this. Oh, the smells are beautiful. Okay, so utilizing due process with the Japanese, we're going to use chopsticks. And yeah, I know how to use chopsticks when I'm watching. Okay, so shall we try the here's a mushroom. Yeah, we're going to try a mushroom in the sauce first. Oh, and there's a piece of jalapeno too. Can you see that? Yeah. Alright, let's try it. Whoo! You're not kidding. That's spicy. Not super hot, but or extra hot, but Yeah, it's hot. Oh God, that's good. Oh, yum. Okay, let's try pizza chicken with some crunchy carrot. Oh, get back in there, little chicken. Okay. Mmm. Tender as all get out. Mm-hmm. This is about the most elegant curry I have ever tasted in my life. I love curry. Middle Eastern curries are in your face. Indian and Pakistani curries are a punch in the nose. They're great, but I'm good for them once a year. I could eat this once a month, easy. Man, that's nice. Very simple to make. All the instructions were in the box. You saw what changes I made. It's really good stuff. And apparently that brand is worldwide. I highly recommend you check it out. They don't just make curry, they make other things. So, let's try some of this. Excuse me, it's brewed with rice, so it's definitely got that ricey flavor. It's good. Medium hops, perfect with curry. Excellent. So there we go, folks. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.